As floodwaters recede in North China's Hebei province, Tianjin and Beijing, the disaster relief efforts in the regions are transitioning from emergency rescue and evacuation to recovery. Zhuozhou City is one of the worst affected areas in Hebei. Residents, volunteers, and rescue personnel are actively involved in dredging, disinfection, and drainage works to repair the damage in affected communities. Floodwaters in the Haihe River basin that passed through Tianjin were caused by rainstorms brought by Typhoon Doksuri. China has earmarked 1 billion yuan to offset losses in areas in the Haihe River basin, inundated recently for flood storage purposes. The fund will go toward compensating property losses of residents living in these areas. In the hard-hit areas of Beijing, traffic management authorities are urged to establish temporary service centers. After 71 hours of emergency repair work, the Fengtai-Shacheng Railway connecting Fengtai district of Beijing and Shacheng Township in Hebei resumed operation on Tuesday, with its flood-damaged sections back to normal. Record-breaking rains brought by Typhoon Doksuri have hit northern China recently, leading to flooding in cities.